So we had to replace circulator pump on this one. Here's the new pump. It was a red pump. Now we have the green pump. We also had to install the bypass to refill the boiler quicker. This is tank isolation valve. We had to put, because there was none, there is a drain valve for the tank. There was not also here, and there was a cap. And to prevent future drain down for the system, we installed isolation valves for supply and return, so that way anytime we need the service in the future, we can isolate it and do the service without draining it, the whole house. For the future visits, we're probably gonna have to replace the pressure relief valve and a section of the piping that's kind of in rough shape. Pressure so far is right about 15 pounds. And boiler is up and running. At some point the relay here for the pump was replaced. We didn't do it. We also had to secure the tank because the old straps were, one side was actually broken and it was barely holding there. I don't even know how this was hanging there with that strap broken. But other than that, looks like it's operational. They have Tiger loop installed. The reason for the Tiger loop is the reason for that is the oil supply line goes above, all across the basement, end of the basement, on the ceiling, and anytime we have that sort of setup, we need a Tiger loop, because oil has a negative pressure and it's going back to the tank rather than positive pressure to the boiler. Yeah, for the future we're also planning to replace the automatic water feed, but the bypass valve was needed here to do this quicker, because once the system is drained down, it's better to do all the repairs that we think need to be done. That's the quick video about this old beast. This is also tankless coil. There is a tankless coil inside. Pressure gauge shows about, what's that, right below 10 pounds, but I have more accurate pressure gauge. There is, yeah, this is the old beast. I can't even say the year because there's nowhere in it says what year it was made. Basically that's all. That's all for this oil boiler. Thanks for watching.